Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know that it is a different one because I'm now out by the beach. You can hear the waves, but just listen to my voice and hopefully the sound of the waves isn't overpowering it. But I just wanted to have a different location to bring you this video because I am at the beautiful boutique hotel that is Skylark in Negril, Jamaica. So today I'm going to talk about 8 reasons, 7 reasons, or 6 reasons, wherever it comes, reasons I have for you when you want to book Skylark Negril. So if you're interested in that, then stay tuned. So you know, Negril is all about the home away from home, tranquil, immerse yourself in all that is Jamaica, and it's very different from the hustle and bustle that is Ochi and Montego Bay, because I know a lot of tourists go there. But if you want like a tranquil, peaceful vibe, that is what Skylark or any hotel on the Negril Strip offers, really. And I chose Skylark because of this vibe. It is a boutique hotel, and when you come here you just feel warm. So the first reason I have is that you have a homely feel to Skylark. If you just want to be away, if you are going on a solo trip, it is great for you being alone. You just wake up when you want, you sleep when you want, you eat when you want, and it just gives you that vibe of peace. Also, I want to tell you that they communicate with you via WhatsApp. They send you welcome messages, they send you what activities are being offered on that specific day, they send you when housekeeping will come to your room, they just check up on you and you can communicate with them via WhatsApp. So I thought that was a really good change. It was not offered, well, in the hotels that I've been, I've never communicated with the front desk via WhatsApp or anything like that. I would always have to call with the telephone in the room. So wherever you are, you can just send them a quick WhatsApp and they respond in time. So I thought that was really cool. So that was my second reason for possibly staying at Skylark. The third reason is that the rooms fit your budget. They are tiered. You know, if you want the studio room, that's a cost. If you want a patio with your room, that's a cost as well. And then if you want to go all out and go by the ocean view, which has 2 patios, I got one of those. The rooms look the same. It is not like you go there and then you see something different. The rooms look the same as it's on the website. It's the same thing you're gonna get, and I loved the look of it. It gives me like a retro vibe, retro Caribbean vibe, and yeah, I'm all about the cutesy looking rooms, so that was up my alley. Talk about the sunsets. You know, there is nothing like a Negril sunset. Anybody can attest, Negril sunsets are so nice. Like, you just get mesmerized by it. So I'm just gonna put in that Negril sunsets are it, but Skylark Negril sunsets are I also want to talk about the beach because I tied in the sunset. So another reason you can stay at Skylark Negril is that the beaches are, well, it's just one straight beach. Everybody knows the 7 Mile beach. You know, if you are an athlete, if you like walking, if you just want to clear your head and you're out on like a self-care trip, this beach is it for you. You can walk from Skylark up or down, and it just gives you a different vibe. You feel calm and you can clear your head of any thoughts. You can talk to yourself, you can meditate, and you can get a good workout in. Another reason to stay at Skylark is that it has accessibility to Rockhouse Hotel, so you can go there. I know Skylark has the beach, it doesn't have a pool, but Rockhouse Hotel has a pool, and you can just do a shuttle over there and you know, enjoy the pool area and enjoy that vibe in itself, because you know rockhouse itself is on the rocks, so you can access the cave, you can access snorkeling, you can go parasailing, you can go paddleboarding. There are lots of activities over there, so you're really missing nothing because you get the best of both worlds with the both of them. And speaking of accessibility, with Skylark you can actually go on the beach and access all the other restaurants. So I know Couple Swept Away is there, Azul Beach Resort is there, Sandals Beaches. I thought that was a good thing as well, because if you love food, you're gonna love going over there, like seriously. Also, although this place is not all inclusive, you can still go outside and access all Negril has to offer, because you know some people love to explore, so Skylark kind of allows that. And if you don't really want to eat from the restaurant that is on the property, you can go out and eat from a roadside vendor, you can go out and eat from the jerk pit. There are so many locals selling things, good food and a good vibe altogether. So if you love to explore, you can do that on the Negril strip. If you drive, you can drive. You can also walk, because it's pretty safe going down the road. Just make sure that you go with a group of friends and don't go far, because during the night time it gets pretty dark. But yeah, you can make the most of it out there, trying the local cuisine. Like I've been saying in my previous videos, one thing when it comes to Jamaica, don't try to stay at a hotel that is all inclusive, because you miss out on the local cuisine that Jamaica has to offer. Guys, that is all I have for you today. Like, I think I've touched on 8, I don't even remember, but those are just the reasons that I think that you should come to Skylark, because it's budget friendly. Overall, the customer service is really good, the food is really good, and you can actually be in control of what you do, what you say, where you go, when you go, and what you go to. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the beach sounds in the background, and I hope you could have heard me properly. So I'm gonna leave you now, and I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, great year. As long as it's great, then everything is great with me. So see you guys next time. Bye.